Hey guys, how's it going? How to solve ChatGPT login errors. So make sure that you check your credentials. Make sure that your email and password are correct. If you go ahead and click that dot under your name or next to your name, sorry, log out. Right? You're gonna see continue with Apple, continue with Google. If you use those or leverage those two options, you won't have that issue because you don't need to enter your password. But if you signed up with your email, they will ask you to verify, of course, your email and add your own password. So for that step, reset your password if you signed up with your email manually. Click forgot password and verify your email by going back to your screen. If you're using Gmail for that matter, or Mail in iOS, you can do that. Okay. Next, clear cache. Go ahead to the settings and then general and then iPhone storage. Make sure that you try to pin down ChatGPT. Right. We're gonna go ahead and offload the app, and by offloading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, and then reinstall it once again from the same settings. So next, what you're gonna do, go back and use different browser or device, or in that case, from using the app, use that browser. Okay, try logging in from another browser, and just make sure that the problem isn't from ChatGPT, right? And these steps should resolve most login issues. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.